Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah. I'm out in Taos, Ski Valley, New Mexico, checking on the progress of our wonderful project here, built by McGee Design Works with Jed and his amazing team of people. Just finished our R-panel installation, getting ready to do custom routing, starting on that. Next phase will be tubing and manifolds. Will start going in here pretty quickly. And then the good old propane boiler is going to hooked up on this one with our comfort system. All the thermostats have been wired up, ready to go. So looking good progress on this one. Can't wait to show you inside. Some great timber on this one. Love it.